Hey y'all, it's my birthday. Hey y'all, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. No joke, it's really my birthday. 33 today. You'll get this sometime later. So I've been kind of absent off my YouTube channel just because I haven't felt well. But it's my birthday. So my husband is watching the kids. I need to get my willows planted. I don't know why this is so hard for me to get these willows planted. I've got some kind of mental break or just stuck when it comes to designing how I want to. I have 9 different types of willow. I'm just stuck as to how to design it, and I'm trying to cramp them into a space where they don't really fit, at least. So I'm gonna try and get it done. Did you see that? I'm gonna put this soaker hose down underneath the tarp in between the 2 rows, and this is gonna be their water supply. You gotta water willows heavily the first year. Someone's walking up. Yep. Oh, gross. Ah, spider! Ooh, spider. Is the spider gonna hit the snake? So I'm preparing my willows that have been sitting in my fridge for 6 weeks, and they're starting to get a little bit of mold on them. But they're budding out and they're still alive. Hey, stop it. Oh, perfect. They've already been cut at an angle. I thought I was going to have to do that. This is not what I wanted to happen. I did not want to get orange paint on my thing. I got some help. Hey Milo, thanks for helping. Thanks. They're off center, so this one's in the middle. Do you get that? Yes. And then that one's in the middle. So one.
Wait, so like this, like ding, ding, ding.
Yes, but do 1 row and then come back and do the other row.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday to you. You smell like
Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, so you can Jack, come blow it out. So you can give it to me, Dad, but you can't give it to Mom.
She said, Jack. Blow. Blow.
Harder.
Can I blow it out?
Good job, Jack.